You just clicking on this video just tells me you have a sick childhood if you remember Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. Today we'll be sewing Blue. I did Blue and I dressed up as Mac at an anime convention, and my friend dressed up as Ghoul, if you know, you know, and she's hand sewed a Wilts. They're so cute. They're little besties. Oh my gosh. So let's get into it. It's a really easy, fun sewing process. Let me show you how to do it. Miss Kabumba here with another tutorial. You're gonna need some blue felt fabric from the dollar store. You need to cut it in 4 different parts. The 4 parts we're cutting it looks kind of like blue shape, you know? Think of an oval, but the ends have to be straight and then one part of it pointy. Anyhow, you're gonna connect 2 pieces together. And I kind of showed you guys how 2 pieces are connected. And the way I'm sewing is honestly just a straight stitch. A straight stitch means putting it at, you know, the top of the material that you're sewing it and doing 3 back stitches, and then you keep going straight into your stitches. And that's how the process really looks. Ain't nothing crazy here. And then you saw me hold it out of the machine and I cut it. And here I'm going to do the other side. I did the other side and I connected all 4. Nothing crazy, just a straight stitch. And now to do the bottom part, I cut a square. I made sure covers everything that needs to be covered, you know, measure as needed. To do that, I'm just sewing around. You're just putting 2 pieces of fabric together, honestly. And then you can see where I back stitched a little bit and I cut the rest out, and this was it. It's not closed though. It's not closed. You can see there was an open section. I really hope you watch the full tutorial and then just sew it closed. Okay. That little open space, yeah, you're gonna flip it inside out. That's why I used white thread. And you're probably wondering, why is this girl using white thread? Because I didn't have blue. And you won't even find to see the thread. You won't even find to see it. They can't see it. It's invisible, just like John Cena. So, right now we're just flipping the whole thing inside out. We're going to have a cute little stuffy. I honestly love it. I love my little blue stuffy. It just makes me so happy. Because it obviously reminds me of one of my favorite cartoons. I have the music playing in my head. Do, do, do. Do, do, no, 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 no. Oh, here is where I RIP'd my old stuffed animal. I RIP'd him. He is done. He is done so. I tried to do it gently by unwrapping that little red bow, and it wouldn't unwrap. It wouldn't unwrap. I'm showing you how you guys can sew a stuffed animal without, you know, buying anything. I had the blue felt fabric from dollar store. And I had this old stuffed animal. So yeah, I RIP'd him. And I'm using his stuffing to make my own stuffy. I had to do it, y'all. I had to. I ain't a bad person. You will not lock me up over this because look, it worked out well. And this is the white felt I had. Here's pink. And here are the eyeballs, the black and whites. The black fabric I had, and then the eyeballs. And that's how it looked like without it being glued down. Whoop. And this is how it looks like in the end. If you're wondering how I closed it, you saw that little hole. I closed it by honestly just hand sewing it. I hand sewed a little hole that was left. And here we have it. There's Blue. Blue. What's not to like? This is so cute. People loved our cosplays. They said it was so nostalgic. A lot of people have never seen Foster's Home for Imaginary Friend cosplayers. So that was great. We're done. We just took another video, Tareen. My boobies are saggy. Not my boobies are saggy. Oh? You just took a video.
Hey, yes you there. When was the last time you did your hair? When was the last time you got dolled up and batified yourself? Because you look crazy. Yes, you look crazy. You probably smell crazy too. Insane.
Alright, slow down. Ain't no way.
That's crazy. Girl. Oh, clean yourself up. You have a YouTube channel you have to be running. Yeah. And people are waiting. Wave to the camera.
Where are these sounds coming from?
You bet stop complaining. Wave to the camera.
Alright.
And get ready. Get ready. You have to batify
no more
yourself.
comfortable era.
Turn yourself into a baddie.
Office baddie era.
Yeah. Girl, you got it.
Era.
And now,
It's gonna happen.
To the camera right now.
What? Hey everyone, Miss Kalimba here. And today I'm going to be turning into an office baddie. We're going to start with what's under the bonnet.
I know, under that bonnet looks crazy. Yeah. Oh,
I'm a little scared to show you what's under it. I did wash my hair, but you know how hair gets when you don't put it in mini twists?
Oh my gosh, put it back. That is crazy.
All right. You rude, whoever you are.
My
I don't know where these sounds are coming from.
Girl. What are you doing?
I'm about to take it off. So we can do the laying down hair process. I have a video on it already, but we can do that, and I'm gonna show you the outfit and lights makeup look I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, it's me. So we're gonna start with the hair process with taking out these twists, I guess. Yeah, okay. So my hair is washed. It's clean. It is clean. It's a little jarring now because it's a few days after wash day. Yeah, you can really see that. What's crazy is I haven't had a hair video on my channel in 3 years. This is really my most consistent year that you guys are seeing, and I'm really happy with that. We're gonna be